Hi mate, excuse me, do you do takeaway?
I'm afraid we're not taking any orders at this time.
No, but do you normally do takeaway?
Yeah, we do collection.
Oh, cool. What's 12 minus 6?
Never said we did takeaway though.
You said you do takeaway.
That's what they say.
Have you got somewhere in that's called the City Walk yet? Then it's got the shitty beach.
Shitty walk! Shitty walk!
No,
Anyway.
here's my favourite one though.
You
right?
could Google
Listen
it
to
and
this, right?
find one.
This cost me a fortune to do this, but I so love doing it because it winds them up. Right? They always get a manager on me. Look, listen to
Talk to
this,
Frank.
Shh, no, listen
No,
to this,
phone
right?
talk to Frank and ask
He
to
did
talk
a
to
vote.
Frank.
He did a vote to Frank. He did a vote.
That's funny. That's
Oh,
funny.
he put out to Frank.
This is Lemonade. How can I help you?
Hi there. Can you give me the number of a service that if I give you the name of a business, I can get a number for that business?
Oh yeah.
Do you know anybody that does that?
Oh, sorry. You have the details of the name and the address of the business, and then you want to get the number for that business?
Well, no. What I'm asking you is if you know someone who has a service that if I give them the name of a business that I'm looking for and they supply me with the number, you know, I heard that you know someone who does that.
Oh yeah, we can do that because we are directory inquiry.
No, you are not. No, just give me the number of someone. I know. It's not you, is it? You can't do it. There's no chance. You what? Are you 118? Are you? Sorry, I thought I phoned 999. Sorry about that, mate. I thought I phoned 999. Sorry, mate. No, that would have cost me about £1.50 for that.
Remember, that's where at your house before that pub station, right? Whether it imposes, right? We're
Phone a
fucking
funny one.
Well, we've taken not Paul Ford pub station. Yes, that was interesting.
Do you remember Rainbow? It was on the telly,
Sure.
right? Obviously, I can't do it just now because they're not open. But you remember Zippy from Rainbow, right? I was wasted one day, and Craig was like, "What are you doing?" I goes, "I'm googling the studio that used to do Rainbow."